Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on a journey. A journey towards fluency in English, a global language that opens doors to personal and professional growth. But how does one navigate this path? Let's explore this roadmap together, step by step. Our first step is preparation. In the context of language learning, this means understanding the basics. English grammar, with its rules and exceptions, forms the backbone of the language. It's like the foundation of a house, providing structure and stability. Basic vocabulary, on the other hand, are the building blocks of communication. They're like the bricks that make up the house. In this digital age, we have countless resources at our fingertips, ready to aid us in mastering the basics. From online platforms and textbooks to language learning apps, the tools are there for us to utilize. Once we've packed our bags with the basics, we move on to the next step, listening. Listening to English spoken by others, especially native speakers, helps us understand the rhythm, the pronunciation, the nuances of the language. It's like listening to a song and learning to sing along. By integrating English into our entertainment through movies, music, podcasts, and news broadcasts, we make learning enjoyable and natural. It's like learning the lyrics of the song by heart. The journey continues as we start speaking. Speaking English allows us to apply what we've learned. It's like learning to swim. You only really learn when you jump into the water. Practice speaking English every day. Speak to friends, join language exchange groups, use language learning apps. Remember, mistakes are not setbacks, but stepping stones towards fluency. They're like the waves that challenge us as we learn to swim, but ultimately make us stronger swimmers. Next, we immerse ourselves in reading. Reading in English exposes us to the language in its written form. It expands our vocabulary, introduces us to new expressions. It's like exploring a new city, discovering its streets and landmarks. As your confidence grows, move on to more complex texts, newspapers, novels, academic articles. It's like moving from the familiar streets of your neighborhood to the bustling avenues of a big city. Writing is our next stop. Writing in English allows us to consolidate our learning. It reinforces the grammar, the vocabulary we've learned. It's like painting a picture, where each stroke adds to the overall image. Start small. Write simple sentences, then paragraphs, then full essays. Every word you write brings you one step closer to fluency. It's like adding more and more detail to your painting, making it more vibrant and complete. Our journey towards fluency is not a sprint, but a marathon. Consistency is key. Set aside a specific time each day for English practice. Make it a part of your routine. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll see progress. It's like training for a marathon, where regular practice builds stamina and speed. Another important step is to make English a part of your daily life. Think in English, speak English at home or with friends, change the language settings on your phone or computer to English. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the more natural it will become. It's like living in a new city, where over time, the unfamiliar becomes familiar. As we continue our journey, we come across a crucial tip: learn phrases, not just words. When we learn phrases, we learn how words are used in context. This not only helps us remember the words better, but also teaches us how to use them correctly. It's like learning a dance routine, where knowing the individual steps is not enough. We need to know how they flow together. Along our journey, we will stumble, we will fall. But remember, mistakes are not failures. They are opportunities to learn, to improve. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them. Learn from them. It's like stumbling during a dance routine. Each stumble is a chance to learn, to perfect our moves. Our final stop is feedback. Feedback is the compass that guides us on our journey. It shows us where we are and points us in the direction we need to go. Get feedback on your English skills whenever possible. From a teacher, a language exchange partner, through language learning apps. Feedback helps you identify your strengths and your areas for improvement. It's like having a dance instructor guiding us, helping us perfect our routine. And so, we've come to the end of our journey. A journey from understanding the basics to getting feedback. Remember, the journey to fluency is not a race. It's a personal journey that takes time, practice, and patience. But with these steps, with determination and consistency, you can achieve fluency in English. So, let's embark on this journey together. Let's unlock the doors to a world of opportunities. Let's achieve fluency in English. Thank you.